Good morning guys, welcome to the next one. I'm just finishing to pack my stuff because in about an hour we are going to fly again quite a common spot in UK which is called Crag Palace. And the interesting thing is that a couple of days ago I've seen a Facebook post about that some guy recreated this spot as a map in Velocidrone. So I was just about to check it out and we'll see if that's true or not. I wonder if someone was able just to recreate the spot which we are flying every day, just to make of it a fully flyable map in the video simulator. We'll find out in a minute. And I forgot to show you one thing, because that's my old quad, my first decent build, which I've made by myself, and it's fully in Hobbywing stack, so it's a Hobbywing ESC NFC, so that means it runs Betaflight firmware. But I've upgraded it a couple of days ago to EmuFlight and it flies much better. However, 2 days ago I finished my biggest project for now, which I was waiting about 2 months to complete all the parts, because quite for a long time FETEC ESC was out of stock. But yeah, I finished it and it's my first quad on KISS. So tried it out yesterday and it flies lovely. So that's my daily driver now, and that will be my backup quad. Yeah! Isn't it beautiful? There is it, first one. It's called Crag Palace Pylons. I just downloaded it and we're gonna try it out. Oh god, really? I'm so impressed. It looks exactly the same as in real life. No way. How is it possible? Right, let me check outside. Right, there's few more bushes in real life than here, but overall, wow, this building is exactly the same. All the details, even inside, every column is in the same place. Wow. This is incredible that you can actually fly on the simulator, the Bando, which you're flying in real life. It's insane. I can't even believe it, to be honest. But alright, it's tough spot, so I'm gonna pack my stuff to the car, pick up Tom, aka Sync FPV, and we're gonna get there and I'm gonna show you how it looks in real life and show you some footage. See ya! Right chaps, we just arrived to the spot, just set up in place, and I'm gonna show you in a second how this Crag Palace looks in real life, and you're gonna be shocked how exactly built is in simulator. So let's see how it looks in real life. Hide and seek. There he is. Syncs usually when flying standing like Michael Jackson. And the funny thing is that yeah, he sometimes also crash. No way. Probably gonna see more on the drone footage, but yeah, that's how it looks from the ground. So walk it inside, and yeah, it's much more dirt on the floor, some kind of trash litters rather than in sim. But yeah, it looks like it's painted everywhere, graffitis on every wall, not in the ceiling. But yeah, you've got the stairs, you've got every column, every hole in the same location as on a simulator. Even this roof hole here, everything is exactly the same. There's even a basement here. I'm gonna show you. It's completely flooded, so I'd rather not fly here. As you can see, loads of crap on the floor, loads of water inside, so the last thing you want is just to lose your drone here. Alright, we just finished flying. As you've seen earlier, this area is quite accurate if we are talking about map in the simulator versus the real life. So it's 1-to-1, I would say, or except the bushes around here, but it doesn't matter. So to sum up today's day, what the hell? So to sum up today's flying session, what did we break today? I broke balancing plug in the one of the batteries, GoPro Hero 8 screen protector. Hopefully it's a protector, not the lens, because you can't easily replace a GoPro lens on the Hero 8. And what else? One antenna which has broke from attempting Matic flip, and of course one ND filter, and that's it. So if you're gonna be able to fly here, that's definitely a place where it's loads of concrete and where you need to be quick and sharp on the sticks. So it's not the easiest spot, but it's really challenging. So whenever you'll have a possibility to try it out, definitely try it out. But first of all, just try it on simulator, just to avoid huge crashes here. But of course you're not gonna avoid them, but just to minimize your risk of losing your lovely drone. So yeah, see you in the next one. Tom, say goodbye to my fans.
See ya. See ya, Pat's mum.
See ya.